Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter mu and show it in a markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook using LaTeX Code. So the Greek letter mu is the 12th letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll start here by creating a new markdown cell. For the cell, we'll add in the word mu, as well as the LaTeX code, which is a backslash followed by mu. And then to actually show this letter in a Jupyter Notebook markdown cell, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now after we run this cell, we have the letter mu here centered in the middle. So this is how to add and show the Greek letter mu in a Jupyter Notebook markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.